Hi guys, welcome to my grocery haul video for this week. So I just picked up my grocery haul from Walmart and I'm going to share with you everything we got along with our meal plan that I have just written out here on what we're going to have for dinners each night this week. So if you're new to my channel, I share with you each week my grocery haul to give you some ideas and some inspiration on what to get for your groceries for your family. I have a family of 4, myself, my husband, and my 2 boys. So this is everything we're gonna have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the week. I keep my budget at $200. I was under budget a little bit this week at $187. So I just love being under budget. Let me show you everything I got for the week. Okay, here are all of the groceries for the week, everything that we're gonna have. So I will start over on this side. I have been getting eggs by the box, so there's 60 eggs in here, and we still have some left over from last week, but just stocking up on eggs because we eat a ton. Some ground beef. We're going to do smash burgers. Here's the buns over here for smash burgers. We do them on the Blackstone. Sandwich thins that my husband uses for his sandwiches that he takes to lunch, for his, to work for lunch. Chicken apple sausage. We have been loving this in the morning with eggs. It is a super good combo, eggs with the chicken apple sausage and some avocado. Love that for breakfast. Some lettuce. We'll do some salad this week because it is hot out and I just love salad when it's hot. I got 2 packs of chicken, 2 packs of chicken breasts because we eat a lot of chicken. And I'm going to grill up a pack for salads and sandwiches. And then I'm going to do some fajitas as well. I'm also going to do a crock pot recipe with some chicken also. Got some fajita seasoning mix because I'm going to do fajitas this week. My husband wanted a cantaloupe. I am not a huge cantaloupe fan, but they're in season right now. So hopefully it's really good. I just got a little watermelon this week. We have been getting a lot of watermelon, and last week it actually wasn't that great. I was pretty disappointed in the watermelon that we got. It just didn't taste as good. So hopefully this one is good, and it's just like a small, they call it a personal watermelon. Got some sliced turkey. I love this one. It's oven roasted and like thinly sliced. Lots of shredded cheese. My kids do quesadillas. We do cheese on lots of different things. Some sliced cheese for sandwiches, blueberries and strawberries, which we get just about every week. I got this green mild salsa. I use it in the crock pot with my crock pot dishes. Garbanzo beans, I love kidney beans. They're just the best. This is my husband's favorite yogurt, this Too Good yogurt, and it has 2 grams of sugar, which is the lowest that we've found, and he really likes this one. They didn't have it in the larger size, so I got these 000 ones, but he prefers the Too Good, so next week we'll be going back to this size of the Too Good brand. Oatmeal for my kids that they like for breakfast. Some peppers here for the fajitas. I already have an onion left over from last week. Some squash and zucchini down here, which we love, is so good right now. Lots and lots of apples. Apples is one of our favorite snacks. I love this just frozen blend. It's the ultimate Southwest blend, and it's really good in so many different things. We do a lot of kind of Tex-Mex type style dishes, so this one's great. It has beans, corn, peppers, onions, and everything, and it's just awesome to have stocked up in the freezer. I also love to stock up on edamame. These bags, you just steam it in the microwave, so it's super easy for snacks or with our dinner. So I got 2 bags of that. Lots of bananas. We go through a ton of bananas. I got some sugar-free chocolate pudding. So this has been my favorite snack lately, this sugar-free chocolate pudding, and then you mix it with a cup of plain non-fat yogurt. You can do Greek yogurt or plain yogurt as well, but it is so, so good. You just do you do a tablespoon of this and a cup of this, and it is so filling, and it's really, really so good. Such a great snack. So I've been kind of obsessed with that lately. Some milk. I just got a small milk. I usually get a gallon, but we still have milk left over from last week. These bubbly drinks. My husband and I have been having a lot of these this summer. They're so refreshing. So a pack of these. Broccoli. We love broccoli. We do broccoli every week. Corn we will do with the smash burgers. My kids have been loving corn, so definitely gonna keep getting it while it is nice and fresh. We have avocados and carrots. Carrots are one of our like favorite snacks right now. So these are the groceries of everything that we're gonna have all week this week. And so here is my little meal planner that I have been using, and I just love it. It helps just stay super organized. And if you know me, I just love to be organized and plan out all of our meals because I only go grocery shopping once a week. So this is what I write out here. So I'm going to be doing a crock pot veggie soup. We're gonna do Blackstone smash burgers and corn. We're gonna air fryer chicken fajitas. I made them last week and they were so good. So we're doing them again. I'm gonna do a crock pot taco soup, salad because it's supposed to be very hot on Friday. I'm gonna do a ground turkey skillet with zucchini, ground turkey and rice, and air fryer chicken and veggies as well. So that's on Sunday. So this is the meal plan that I have written out, and we might move around some days here and there depending on what we're doing, but that's what we're gonna have. And these are all of the groceries. So I hope that you enjoyed this week's grocery haul. I hope it gave you some ideas of what to get and to plan out everything that you're having for the week so that you make sure you're using all the food you get at the grocery store and you don't overspend. That's my favorite part. I just love to stay on budget and make sure we're using all of the food that we get for the week. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.